will inspire you to go back to traditional food and enjoy cooking. I want to free the cook in you. Come with me and let's do this journey of different dishes and recipes that will smell, all this flavor that we're gonna add together. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumb up. That allows me to do more videos for you and enjoy. Now, let's start cooking.
These are the ingredients you will need to prepare one of my favorite dip, hummus. Once you make it, you will never buy them again. You will need 1 cup of chickpeas or 1.5 cup of cooked chickpeas, a 1/4 cup fresh lemon juice, a 1/4 cup well-stirring tahini. You can find it in any supermarket, 1 small garlic clove minced, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, optional, salt to taste, 2 or 3 tablespoons of water, and dash ground paprika for serving. Great, now we're ready to start. In the food processor or a blender, add 1/4 cup of tahini, then add a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. You can use more according to your taste. Make sure it's not sealed. Process for approximately 1 minute. You will notice that tahini and the lemon juice comes together and thicker. That's the secret to have a creamy. Now let's add some flavor and add 1 garlic clove minced and the 2 tablespoons of olive oil. That will make a perfect flavored hummus. Add some salt and half a teaspoon. You can add according to your taste. I try to go easy with the sodium in my recipes for better health and realize that adding less sodium I taste better all the flavors. Don't forget to scrub the bottom of the bowl to secure that all the ingredients are mixed well. Do the same process 3 times with a spatula. Scrub the bottom of the bowl and mix well. I will make an extra smooth, creamy hummus. I want to take this pause and remind you that my cookbook, Ycook Network, Free the Cook in You, is available online. You will get some inspired to cook amazing recipes, food stories from my food adventures, healthy guide to lose those extra pounds, and even how to create your food affirmation. Yes, get your copy now and be part of my Ycook Network, where going back to traditional food is fun as long as you share with someone you care. Isn't that great? Let's continue with our recipe. Now is the time to add the chickpeas. I use for this recipe a can of chickpeas. Drain and rinsing first. Add half of the chickpeas and process them for a minute. Scrape it and add the rest of the chickpeas and again process it for another 1 or 2 minutes until become smooth. Scrub the bowl again and to make really smooth, add 2 or 3 tablespoons of water and process it until you see the mixtures are creamy. Voila, it's done. And give a taste, and if you want to add more salt, go ahead. Isn't that amazing? You have made your own superb hummus from scratch. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give a thumb up. I'm so ready to impress my friends with this hummus as appetizer. Yes, I'm coming. I know you are starving. My apologies, they can't wait. As they say, shukran. Until my next video. I hope you enjoy and subscribe to my channel, and let's continue having fun in the kitchen. Free the cook in you.